Hello guys, welcome to Amazing Engineering, and today in this GeoGebra tutorial we will design a glyph mechanism. As first, let's set the fixed angles, so the coordinates of A0 are 0, 0, and the coordinates of B0 are 0, -6. Now let's make a number slider which represents the length of the motor member of the mechanism. We can call it M2, and its values vary between 0 and 10. We can set its length, for example, to 3. Now let's create a circle whose center is the point A0 and its radius is equal to M2. Let's choose a point on this circle, for example this one. Now let's create an angular slider which represents the angle formed by the motor member of the mechanism. We can call it alpha, and its value varies between 0 and 360 degrees. Now click on angle with given sides, select the first point, then A0. The value of this angle is equal to alpha. We can set, for example, a counterclockwise rotation, and as we did for the 4-bar mechanism, we got a point whose coordinates vary according to the value of the angle alpha. We can call this point A. Let's link these 2 points with a segment. Now, in order to design the piston, let's make a line between the point A and the point B0, which represents the axis of the piston. Let's create a circle whose center is the point A and its radius is equal to 0.8. Let's find the intersection points between this circle and the axis of the piston. Now, let's create other 2 circles whose centers are the intersection points and their radius are equal to 0.4. Let's find the intersection points between these 2 circles and the bigger circle. We can hide the circles and the point B and C. Now, let's link these points in order to get a polygon, and this is the piston. We have to follow a similar method in order to create the guide of the piston. So let's choose a point on this line, for example this one. Let's create a circle whose center is the point H and its radius is equal to 10. Let's find the intersection point between the circle and the line. Let's create another circle whose center is the point E and its radius is equal to 1. Let's find the intersection points between the bigger circle and the smaller circle. Now, let's make other 2 lines parallel to the axis of the piston. Let's create a circle whose center is the point H and its radius is equal to 1 again. Let's find the intersection points between this circle and the axis of the piston. Let's create the last circle whose center is the point M and its radius is equal to 1.2. Let's find the intersection points between these lines and the last circle. We can hide these points. Then the lines. We can also hide the circles. As before, let's link these points in order to get a polygon. And this is the guide of the piston. Let's hide these points. Let's link these 2 points with a segment. And this is the mechanism. Because the distance between A0 and A is shorter than the distance between A0 and B0, this is a swinging glyph mechanism, so we can change the values of the angle alpha from between 0 and 180 degrees. And we can animate the mechanism clicking on animation. Well, this is all for today. I invite you to subscribe on my channel and see you for the next video.